When it comes to Ryobi versus Hart, Ryobi is the cheaper one at $69, at least one on sale here recently, versus $89 for Hart. Hart comes with battery, charger, and belt clip, and even comes with a bag. Ryobi is one of the few that doesn't have any extras, so just the battery and charger is included. Ryobi is a little bit lighter at 1233 grams versus 1450 grams for Hart. I think Ryobi is one of the more comfortable impact drivers, but Hart's actually pretty nice as well. I feel like the batteries and chargers for both Hart and Ryobi feel like pretty nice quality. Even if the battery for Hart wiggles a little bit when connected, Ryobi has the older design or style of battery, which allows you to use some of the older Ryobi batteries. If this is your first Ryobi tool, I'm not sure if that's gonna matter. Both of these come with rapid battery chargers, so you won't have to wait regardless of which one you go with. The built-in lights are both at the bottom. Hart is quite a bit brighter though, as you can see when you put them next to each other. And it's nice, Hart has a bit holder on the back where Ryobi doesn't. As far as how loud they are, Ryobi's a little bit quieter at 87.6 decibels versus 91.6 for Hart, and that's with no load on both. Ryobi has up to 1900 inch-pounds of torque at up to 3900 IPM and a max of 3000 RPM versus 2200 inch-pounds of torque for Hart at up to 3900 IPM and a max of 3000 RPM. Hart also seems to drive 3-inch deck screws in faster consistently versus Ryobi. I'm not sure why, but Ryobi felt a little underpowered compared to most others that I've tested, and it doesn't really seem that much lower on paper considering the specs. Not really sure why that is. I think Ryobi is actually one of the most comfortable impact drivers I've used. It's lightweight, feels a tad bit underpowered though. I don't really think you can go wrong with this one because the amount of Ryobi tools out there if you're trying to decide which platform or ecosystem to go with. But in my testing, Hart feels more powerful, has pretty nice build quality, so pretty close between these two, but I would give the slight edge to Hart because you can definitely feel the extra power when using it.